Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hey, hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Hey, also hit that notification bell as well. Also, if you're new, hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. And check out my other videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free, check them out. And also, people, say a prayer for Hobo Shoestring. He is missing. Hey, his family is desperately out looking for him. They're where he lives at. I guess they went to his place and they found his hat and things, but he wasn't there. Now they think he might have, somebody thinks he might have took off for a walk or something. I don't know. But, you know, it just said he hasn't contacted anybody or anything. He left his things and wandered off. So please say a prayer for Hobo Shoestring and for his family, because, you know, this guy is lovable. You know, he's been in my town before to hop a train, and you know, it just sad. Somebody comes up missing, and you know, it just heartbreaks your heart. But please say a prayer that he's found safe somewhere. But until my next video, they call me Mr.Canadian. Oh, and this was filmed on April 3rd, 2023. I mean 4. April 3rd, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canadian. This train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.